Welcome to intro 2.0. The first intro I treated two times in 2 casts. So here we are going up Stockton Creek. We launched much on Stockton Creek today. I didn't have the big 1 hour paddle up to this point. I got out here pretty quick. Still very early in the morning. I haven't heard any cicadas yet. So this could be a bust because I only brought out cicada lures and a couple of other little hard bodies. So if the cicadas don't come out, then this is going to be a very, very long day. There's a nice mullet jumping. So the mullet are out. I did have a cicada flying around me as I was launching my kayak. So I do have confidence that I will get a brim on a cicada. Let's go over a little stick. I just don't know how well we're going to go. But yeah, we're definitely heading up Stockton Creek, past the bridge. Just last time I got to the bridge and just went under it. Today we're going to go as far up as we can. And seeing if the species change from a brim to an EP or to a bass or something like that the further we get up. So I'm still not 100%. Oh, it came off. Oh no. He's gone straight under that tree. I had my drag set too loose. He's come out. What a great start to the video. Here I am thinking I might not get one. I don't think he's a big model. I think my drag was just set really loose. Oh, he's definitely giving me some curry now. Can't see him yet. There's my leader. Oh, he's an alright model. I stinged him. It was the stinging hooks that got him. That's a great start to the morning. Not the biggest brim, hopefully not the biggest of the day, but it definitely made me rethink my drag setting, that's for sure. What have we got here today? I'll have a quick measure. There's those brand new stinger hooks doing their job. Always wet your brag mats or anything. Look, I don't think he's... He didn't like that very much, did he? I don't think he's just on about, he's nearly 27, so he's definitely an alright size. He's a good starter size. He's a bit like a Fisher Price my first brim. We want the bigger ones, but we'll take him at 26. Oh wow. Okay, dude. You have a problem? How did that not come out? Oh, I must have got him in both. I honestly thought he would have gotten off. There he goes. I should have handled that better, but that's alright. First brim. Well, looks like the cicada lures are going to work. So oh, what the hell was that? And we're on again. I don't know if I recorded that. He's a bit smaller model than the last one, and he's flicking shit up everywhere. Dude, calm down. Oh. He's a bit green. Oh. Dude. Just stop. Don't even know if my camera's recording on that one. Oh yeah, we're recording. I didn't even hear the camera. Oh. Ah. He just spined me. So what's he going? He's only going 20. He's 5 centimetres shorter than the other one. But God, he smacked it. There you go. Probably right in the top of my finger. Oh, they're out. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. What the hell's happened here? Oh, fuck. How did he not hit that? Again? How did he not hit that? Just how? How many attempts did he have? I think he's moved on. How many attempts did he have of that and he missed? That's unbelievable. That's unbelievable. Like, seriously? Oh, again. Oh, I missed it. Yep, got it. No, he's off again. You are kidding. I don't think they're going to be fooled twice. Oh, I can't believe that. That's 2 casts in a row where I've had massive hits, submerged it, and still nothing to show for it. It's cicada fishing though, isn't it? Yeah. Do some cracking casts. Do some cracking casts and not have one thing hit it, and then you can do an absolute shocker. and hits it. Might have to add more scent to it. Oh, that was a terrible cast. Because I think they're spitting it. They're grabbing it and spitting it. They're grabbing it and spitting it. That means we need more scent. They're starting to taste the plastic. So we'll do that and we'll come back and hopefully we'll be onto some. Don't know if you can see it, I'm looking directly in the sunlight, but I've had about 3 hits. I'm in between the 2 branches. I can't, I'm having trouble making it out. But let's just say there was many hits then, I just couldn't see it because of the sun. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but that was a lot of hits to see. Nothing there. Oh, straight away. Straight away then nothing. Can't believe that. Straight away then nothing. Oh, that is in a good spot. Good spot for brim, bad spot if I get something big. There's many hits. Oh no. Oh, that came back at me very fast. Right, let's get under. Finally got one. Then he's tiny, but it's another fish. Oh, and he's gone. I've been fishing now for about an hour without even a strike. That was the first strike I've had in about an hour. As I'm getting closer to the cicadas, I felt like I've had less of a hit. Like when I couldn't hear them, I had more hits. But now I can hear them, I'm having less hits. But I think it's because I'm in that zone where they're trying to if there's no cicadas around. Yeah, it's hard to explain, but I think when you get close to cicadas, all the brim seem to be in that one spot near the cicadas. Where when there's no cicadas, then they're spread out more evenly, if that makes sense. I just treed myself again. I got out of it. I can't believe I've been thrown over these trees for ages and just nothing. Am I on the wrong side? I don't know. There's all these little offshoot streams here as well. Oh, That's well promising. Yep. Oh, he's a bit bigger than the last one. Oh, he's a lot bigger than the last one. I can't manhandle this one. Just drop the... Oh. Oh. He's up there with my second biggest of the day, I think. This is I talked about not having many around. Now we're hooked up into our net. What's he got? Yeah, 26, definitely biggest of the day. $26, $27, so tied, I think. That's more of a tie than a... How did you get stinger hooks in you again? Oh. I try and protect their coatings. If you're ever wondering why I'm using, I try not to actually physically touch them if I can help it. Helps protect their coating, their scales. Oh, there you go, buddy. The less you touch them, the less scales you take off them. So that's my theory. That was a big hit. Where I could see them having a go at that then. So I've been fishing for another hour and have not had much. Oh, yep. He's not very big. Little skull dragon. What have we got? Still brimbo. I'm further up this creek, still catching brim. And he is green as green can be. I wonder what it was. Well, just figured it out. Brimbos again, still this far up. But look at what he did. Wow. This is going to need some surgery to get this out. had to put my glasses on because it was just getting too glary. I couldn't see anything. Right, got one out. Absolutely smacked the shit out of that. Right. Two out. Two out. Your surgery's complete. Off you go, bud. And finally, a fish after another few hours of fishing. We watch these fishing shows, everybody, and they catch fish every couple of strikes. It's not true. Like, I can fish for 5-6 hours before I catch a fish. So that didn't even, I was going to say it wasn't even. This is that tapping technique that I use. That works. Oh, that wasn't the cast that I wanted. I wanted to go. Oh, there we go. Another hit. Oh no! No, 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 no. I finally got a decent hit and I wasn't ready. And that was not the cast I wanted either. I wanted to be right up against that bank. That's where you want to be. You want to be right up hard against the bank. There we go, that was the cast I wanted, but the problem is I've probably spooked them already. There's your see, jig on the rod, vibrating the hell out of that lure, with a slow wind. And yeah, nothing now. Nothing, I killed it for myself on that one. Wanted to go straight under it. Yep. Oh, this feels like a bigger model. Big head shape. Definitely a bigger model. Definitely a much bigger model. Oh. Trying to get me back into that snag. Oh. I'm a fair way up this creek here. Yes. Yes. That's what I was after. Yeah, here's what I was after. That's why I came up here. After the big brim. And he's gone. Yep, best of the day. 31 and a half. Nice little brimbo. Or little brimbo. He's the biggest of the day. So, how did we hook this guy? Not in the mouth we had. One stinger hook in the top lip. That wasn't going anywhere. And then we had, I think I was pretty lucky to catch him actually. And then there was a treble stuck in his nose. But there you go, buddy. Look at that. Beautiful brim. Honestly, I thought I'd be getting EPs or bass by now. But beautiful brim, can't complain. Gotta love a good brim. And that was the best that I've had in a little bit. Just underneath those trees, you saw him come up and smack it. I did a couple of bad casts, but ended up getting it, so I'm happy with that. Oh, he's treed me up. He's treed me up. Oh yeah. I don't know, the structure under here is unbelievable. He's definitely tailed me up. Yeah. You got me. Everything gone. Finally got one, and I want to snag. Snag me again. Come on out, out. Still catching brim this far up the creek. They're getting blacker though. These are 26. Here's a 26 model. Like I was saying the other day, some of these fish here, probably never seen a human before, depending on how far they travel down the creek. But all these ones I've caught further up the creek are fat as anything, so they've been munching out on the cicadas for a while. Alright, there you go, bud. Finally a brim after I don't know how many hours. Oh, don't do that. Don't. No. You idiot. You idiot. Oh. tangled up everywhere. I was trying to save him. He's made a right mess of himself. And my line. Alright, he's gone. And look at the... Please hit him off. You idiot! What the hell is this? I don't know if I'm recording. I don't know what's going on. I'm recording. God, my camera's hot. It's probably going to overheat. What the... Oh. I know my net's broken too. Oh, come on. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that an AP? My net's broken. I'm going backwards faster than I'm going forwards. That looks like an EP to me. This is what I came up here to catch. This was not... Bream was my goal, but catching bream on cicadas was my goal. And now, oh, is this what I was after? Look at that. That's got to be an EP. Did he just spit the cicada? No. It's definitely not a brimbo. I can hotly say it's not a brim. It's not a brim, based on the fact that there's no teeth. My net ripped. Not there again. I'll take an extra precaution with this guy because he's not a common catch where I live. I'm calling it an EP, I don't think it's a bass. Oh, don't mate, don't. Look at the size of that. Pretty sure that is an EP. I could be wrong, it could be a bass. Come on, bud. Swim away, buddy, swim away. It's taking a while to swim. I'm a bit worried about you, buddy. You're slowly going down. Where that steer? It is, it's steer. Oh. Oh, another big boy. Another big one. With the broken net. Well. What have we got next time? No, it's definitely a bream this time. No mistaken, a bream this time. MKG lure. It's just took in the lip. As much as we could. 31 and a bit to finish off the day. feel it. Oh shit. Oh. What's he caught with now? Oh no. He's gone, he's gone, he's gone. And I got out there in time. Alright. I think that's me for the day. That is me for the day. We caught some 30s, some 20s, some 15s. We have caught a multitude of fish today, and I've been out here, what, 6, coming on 7 hours, and probably 7 fish, 8 fish. Yeah, it just goes to show these guys, these presenters and that do these shows, they can be fishing for months to get the right fish, the right footage. Where me, little old me, usually does 4-hour sessions, sometimes 5. But when I'm exploring, I take out my water, I take out my bread, I take out some soft drink, take out a whole heap of rubbish just to keep me going. Especially on a day like today, it's over 30. Well, it's 31 currently, and I'm in long pants, long shirt, so I really wanted to be in by 10. That did not happen. Alrighty, thanks for watching. That was the rest of Stockton Creek that I was doing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to know any more. And hopefully I will have identified that fish, whether it was an EP or a bass. Pretty sure it was an EP, but I could be wrong. Alright, here is my little boat ramp. Now I've got a 100-metre walk back to the car, walk down, then I've got to pull this kayak a couple of 100 metres up this hill. So it's going to be not fun. Alright, take care everyone.